There's a plugin called Optimization Detective. Is a framework for collecting client-side metrics for how a page is actually laid out to be able to then apply optimizations more accurately than what WordPress can do on its own. Because say if you have a page that's laid out and you have an image, which is what's called the largest contentful paint, WordPress is going to guess what that image is going to be, but it doesn't know if it's actually in the viewport or not, in the initial viewport. And so you could be that the first image in the post is actually way outside the viewport because there may be paragraphs of text, or maybe it's visible on mobile but not desktop, or vice versa. And so this project will let visitors to the site contribute those metrics for how the page is laid out to then be able to then better optimize those pages for future visitors so that the actual important elements get prioritized and how they get loaded. And if there's like a embed that, will change its height when it loads, like a tweet or something from Blue Sky or WordPress post embeds, it'll measure the height that those embeds have after they've resized and then reserve the space for that so that when they do load, they don't cause that layout shift.
Okay.
So a lot of optimizations are possible when you have those client-side metrics that WordPress doesn't have by default because it's a server-side PHP-based environment.